Get your camera rig ready. Your new tripod kit is here. Introducing the Benro BVX18 Carbon Fiber Pro Video Tripod Kit. Combining advanced features with an extremely robust design, perfect for heavy loads. This video tripod kit has everything you need to keep your productions moving fast and efficiently. The BVX18 has a max capacity of 39.6 pounds, 18 kilograms, and reaches a max height of 5.6 feet. The tripod features two-stage, three-section carbon fiber legs with a built-in 100mm bowl, and the dual tandem upper leg sections offer increased stability. Intuitively designed for speed of use, a few quick flips of the leg locks, and you're set up or broken down in no time. The ergonomic flip locks are a cinch to kick open, saving your back when raising heavy loads. The kit includes both floor and mid-level spreaders for added stability in any situation. Large articulating foot pads can be removed to take advantage of the dual spikes. The BVX18 head features an 8-stop pan drag adjustment, a 10-stop counterbalance, and an 8-stop tilt adjustment. Quickly and easily make pan or tilt adjustments and lock them in from behind the camera. These controls are fast and repeatable, so you can take the guesswork out of your camera setup. The head also features dual removable telescoping pan arms that can extend or retract based on your shooting preferences. The BVX head has a press-in quick-release plate system for easy mounting and removal, and allows flexibility for base plate add-ons. The sliding panel with scale makes it easy to find your camera's center of gravity. The simple pull and turn safety plate lock ensures the security of your camera gear at all times. The built-in bubble level helps you easily level your camera. Accessory mounts on the head and spider allow for additional attachments. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit into the included carrying case and you're on your way. The BVX18 Carbon Fiber Pro Video Tripod Kit is what serious videographers have been waiting for. It has all the strength and precision you need with the versatility and portability you've always wanted. What are you waiting for? Let's go!
If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell for notifications.